Hi everyone! Welcome back to This Is Journey again. Ayan. God bless everyone. Blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat po. Ayan. So, since it's Sunday morning today, so we're getting ready to go in the church. Ayan. Kasi nga, si Lord first. Di ba? So, lahat ng bagay na gagawin po natin, ilalagay po natin si Lord. Kasi siya po ang nagbigay ng kalakasan sa atin sa bawat araw-araw. Tama po ba? Amen. So, by the way, since it's Father's Day today, so I'm just going to say Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng tatay po sa buong mundo. Ayan, especially po sa tatay ko dyan sa Pilipinas. Papa, Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Love you. And may God bless you more and give you more strength, more energy, good health as well. And also to my brothers in the Philippines, which is Brother Ray in Manila. Bro, Happy Father's Day. And my brother in Mindanao, Nisan Yatan. Hey bro, Happy Father's Day. I hope your Sunday are doing great. Is great, I mean. So, yeah, so guys, while waiting, I'm waiting for the time to go in the church this morning because still early, still up 7:30. What time is it now? So, I'm just doing this quick video. Yeah, kasi nga po, namimiss ko na pong mag-vlog kasi nga parang how many na hindi po ako nakapag gawa ng video po. So, yan. Ngayon, it's my opportunity to make this video for you guys and saying Happy Father's Day to all dads in the world. Ayan, especially to those fathers who's here in the YouTube community. So, Happy Father's Day to all you guys. Ayan. I hope you enjoy your day, but keep safe because alam na natin na yung panahon natin ngayon is not really, it's not really safe. So, everywhere you go, guys, saan man kayo magbanding ng pamilya nyo. Kasi Father's Day nga po. Ayan. So, we have to take care. You have to take care, guys. Take care of yourself and your family. Ayan. So, what a wonderful morning, but very hot. But nothing to complain. Nothing to complain. It's hot. It's humid. Yan. Yung panahon dito sa Hong Kong ba, kahit hindi siya maaraw, pero maalinsangan. Ano ba yun? Malagkit. Kaya aga-aga katapos mong maligo, pagpawisan ka na. Kaya yan, aga nakabukas yung fan ko. Yan. So, anyways, really great morning for us. Yan. Sa bawat umagang kay ganda, simulang magpuri sa kanya, itaas ang kamay at umawit na. Sa bawat araw na dumaraan, Panginoon, ikaw ang dahilan sa bawat ligaya at bawat ngiti. Mula sa labi kong magpupuri, mula sa labi kong magpupuri. Jesus, sa buhay ko ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay. Wala sa iyong may papantay. Salamat, salamat sa iyong ginawa. Salamat sa iyong ginawa. Salamat, salamat sa iyong ginawa. Salamat sa iyong ginawa. Jesus, sa buhay ko ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay. Wala sa iyong may Salamat, salamat sa iyong ginawa. Salamat sa iyong ginawa. Wow. Ang sarap magpuri ng umaga, no? Sarap magpuri sa Panginoon sa bawat umagang kay ganda. I hope you feel what I feel, guys. Yan. Kasi every day is a gift. Every day is a blessing. So we have to thank God for every blessing that we receive in every day. Yeah. So while waiting the time, yan, dito muna ako sa inyo. Yan. Sa iyong ginawa, salamat sa iyong ginawa. And happy Father's Day to Mr. Dale Johnson out there in Canada. Yeah, happy Father's Day, Mr. Dale Johnson. Yeah, I hope you're doing great. I hope everything is fine with you and your family as well. Yan. Sa lahat ng friends ko dyan sa USA, guys, happy Father's Day. Keep safe po. Yan. So guys, sa uulitin po, ayan. O siguro, I'm going to continue this vlog until I'm going to church or after the end of this day. So, yeah, see you later, guys. Love you all and God bless and stay safe.